Hi friends, in this video I am going to review this black table clock from Home Center. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. See, MRP of this product is $299. See, this is the product. On back side you can see the control buttons. See, this is the on off button for alarm. Using this button we can adjust the alarm. Using this button we can set the time. And here you can see the battery. Let me open this. See, this is a battery. Okay, done. This is very good clock, table clock. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.